Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with Microsoft 365 step by step clearly. To cancel your Microsoft 365 account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft website. Sign in to your Microsoft account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Microsoft Account. On the account page, look for the Services and Subscriptions tab. Click on it to view your subscriptions. Find your Microsoft 365 subscription in the list. Next to your subscription, click on the Manage button. This will direct you to the subscription management page. Look for the option that says Cancel and click on it. You may be prompted to provide a reason for your cancellation. Choose your reason from the list provided. After you select a reason, confirm your cancellation by clicking on the Next button. Review the cancellation summary to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click on the Cancel Subscription button. Microsoft will send you a confirmation email regarding your cancellation. Keep this email for your records. Your Microsoft 365 subscription is now successfully canceled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.